Welcome food lovers to your very own Sohini's kitchen. Today's recipe is Paneer Ghee Roast. If you are in mood for a spicy dish, then you must try this one. Let's take a look at the recipe. The paste for the ghee roast gravy is ready. Fry the paneer until they turn golden brown in color and then set them aside on a plate for use in the gravy later. Cook until ghee or clarified butter leaves the gravy. The paneer ghee roast is now ready. If you try this recipe, do let me know how it turns out. Please use the comment section for any question or suggestion of a recipe that you would like me to try in future. Thanks for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the paneer ghee roast with your family and friends.